In this video, we're going to take a look at creating your very first isometrics in AVEVA E3D. Firstly, go to the Discipline tab and select Piping. From here, navigate to the zone where your pipe is stored. There's two ways that you can run the isometric. You can either run it at the pipe level, or you can run it at the individual branch level as well. We're just going to select the pipe for now. Then in the Piping tab, select the Isometrics button and Pipe. This will automatically generate the piping isometric and display the PDF as required. You'll be able to see that in the center is your isometric drawn in ISO 3 and to the right is your materials. This is just one of two ways that you can run isometrics. There is a third way as well, but it's slightly more hidden, but we can go into that in a future video. For now, let's take a look at the second most popular way. And for that, we need to switch to Isodraft. Once Isodraft is loaded, we can now navigate to the pipe that we wish to run the isometric on. Again, same pipe as the one in design. Choose Isometrics and Standard, and in here now we can see that we have multiple ISO options file. An ISO options file is your admin or yourself, your own way of customizing the ISO options file so that you can customize the way that it looks, which side things come, whether it's ISO 1, ISO 2, ISO 3. All those things can be customized from here. So we're going to choose the similar one to the design module and click apply. This will now create the exact same isometric, however you'll notice one slight change, which is the material is on the left rather than the right. We are going to cover going into modifying these ISO options file in a bit more detail, but for the purpose of this video, we're just going to keep it very simple. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, subscribe for future videos, and there's specifically a video on the isometric option file as well.